beautiful souls. It's just me, Arlisha, aka Gata, the Divine Plant Diva. Just leaving you a little message that I've been thinking about you and just want to show you some plants. These are plants that are in my home conservatory, and you can see that there are a variety of plants. Bamboo, I have philodendrons, I have croutons, I have pothos. So, and I have cactus. So I'm hoping that you enjoy the day and you be beautiful and enjoy this Friday. And also enjoy your weekend. Don't let this weekend pass without saying thank you to God and nature.